Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ice maker in this LG refrigerator. The ice maker we're replacing today has two different failures. The ice tray is broken and the temperature sensor wires are nearly worn through. Unfortunately, none of these parts are sold separately, so if any parts on the ice maker are bad, you'll need to replace the entire ice maker assembly. The ice maker fills up the ice tray with water. Once the water is frozen, the ice tray is rotated and twisted to release and dump out the ice cubes. Once the ice tray gets cold enough, the temperature sensor tells the refrigerator that the ice is frozen and that it can dump out the ice and make a new batch. The optic eye senses the ice level in the ice bin and tells the ice maker to stop making ice when the bin is full. Before you get started, people often try to remove this ice maker incorrectly. Do not start by removing these screws and the top cover to gain access to the electrical connectors. Follow these simple steps to do it the right way. We'll only need a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get started. For this repair, unplug or disconnect power to the refrigerator. With the left door open, pull down the lever to open the ice maker compartment. Remove the ice bin by lifting up on the bottom, tilting, and pulling down to remove. Next, loosen the Phillips screw on the top of the ice maker. You do not need to remove it. Now, remove these 3 Phillips screws. With the screws removed, grab the bottom of the ice maker, tilt it, and slide it down. Be careful as it's still connected by wires at the top. Next, disconnect the electrical plug by depressing the locking tab. Now, you can remove the ice maker from the refrigerator. Now, remove these 3 Phillips screws. On the back side of the ice maker, remove the ground screw and ground wire. Next, peel back the tape. Next, disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. Now, peel back the foam and remove the temperature sensor. Now, you can separate the ice maker from the panel. If you have a bad ice maker and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. Due to LG having the incorrect part number listed for some model refrigerators, it's best to check the electrical plugs and make sure they have the same number of pins and wires using the photos on our website. For this model refrigerator, LG sells the ice maker individually or as a larger assembly that also includes the auger motor. To install the ice maker, start by tucking the wires, then reinstall the 3 Phillips screws. Next, reinstall the temperature sensor. Next, reconnect the electrical connector by pushing it until it locks in place. Reinstall the ground wire and ground screw, then tuck the wire in around the outside edge. Now, reapply the tape to hold the wires in place. Next, tilt the ice maker into the door at an angle, then reconnect the electrical connector by aligning it and pushing it until it locks in place. Now, slide the ice maker up, making sure the fill cup aligns with the fill tube, then push the bottom back in place. Next, tighten the screw at the top, then reinstall the 3 Phillips screws. Now, make sure the ice maker is switched to the on position. Press and hold the test button on the bottom of the ice maker for 3 seconds. This will initiate the harvest cycle, which dumps any ice and refills the tray with water. Now, reinstall the ice bin. Finally, close the ice maker compartment door and pull the handle into the lock position. With everything reconnected, plug the refrigerator back in and give it some time to cool down before it'll start making ice. Often this takes 6 to 12 hours. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.